Everyone is complaining about OpenAPI's high API cost. But what if I told you there is a way to access these models completely for free? I know you won't believe me until I show you this. If you come on to this website called as OpenRouter.ai, here you can see their website. Basically, they provide unlimited interface for LLMS. Now, basically, if you don't know what is LLMS, basically it is a AI model where you can just use different API keys of an AI model and use it for your own automation and uses. Now, they are showing some of the most trending API keys, that is Gemini 2.5 Pro, GPT-5, and Claude 4. Now, if you go to the website, basically steps are simple. You sign up, you buy the credit, and you get your API key. And you can get any APIs. You can see ChatGPT, you can see DeepSeek, Meta, NVIDIA, and everything. Now, all you need to do is sign up here. Now, I know you are smart enough, you can sign up by your own. When you come to the models, here you can see all the models they are. From here, you can just sort it according to your need. If you want for image, file, or audio, you can choose it. For now, let's go with the simple one. I will go with the, let's sort it with the price low because this is what I'm showing you today. Okay, from here, let's go and pick up. Okay, let's go with the DeepSeek. I will go with this. And you can select whatever you want. Now you can see the latency and throughput and everything, and who all are using this thing. Now, if you come down, you will see create an API key. Literally, and you can copy the code from here, the Python code, the transcript, and everything, curl option, and everything. All we need is just, let's go with the OpenAI Python, create an API key. I have created one for my N10 automation in past. You can create one. From here, let's go with the DeepSeek. Okay. And here you can input the credit if you want, but as we are going with the free, we'll leave it blank for unlimited. Now hit on create. We have got the key. Now you can copy it and paste it wherever you want. If you are using N10, you can use it there. If you are using Zapier, you can use it there. If you are using make.com, you can use it there. Literally, this is the free alternate of any API key. Now, if you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Until then, see you. Bye-bye. Thank you.